The GMC Acadia has several common problems that owners should be aware of. Understanding these issues and their warning signs can save you time and money on repairs. The most common problem in GMC Acadias, especially 2017 to 2019 models, is transmission trouble. You'll notice harsh shifting, delayed engagement when changing gears, or the transmission slipping between gears. Electrical problems are the second most common issue. These include power steering assist loss, battery drain, and various sensor failures. Watch for dimming lights, slow engine cranking, or warning messages on your dashboard. Air conditioning system failures are increasingly common, especially in 2023 and 2024 models. Compressor failures can cost up to $2,400 to repair. Look for weak airflow, strange noises from the engine bay, or inconsistent cabin temperatures. Newer Acadia models from 2023 to 2025 have specific infotainment problems. The screen may freeze, lose connectivity with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, or display glitched graphics. This affects about 15% of 2024 model year vehicles. To summarize the key warning signs: listen for unusual noises during gear changes, watch for rough engine idling, notice if lights are dimming, and check for weak airflow from your vents. Catching these problems early can prevent costly repairs and keep your Acadia running smoothly. Diagnosing transmission problems starts with checking the fluid level and condition, then scanning for diagnostic trouble codes like P700. Locating the transmission fluid dipstick or fill port is essential for proper diagnosis. Check the fluid color and consistency for signs of contamination. Electrical problems require advanced diagnostic tools like oscilloscopes to analyze system signals and identify faulty components. Air conditioning problems require checking for refrigerant leaks and testing compressor operation using specialized equipment. Solutions range from simple software updates for infotainment issues to complete component replacements for major failures. Real-world examples show how proper diagnosis leads to effective solutions. A 2017 Acadia transmission failure was resolved with a complete replacement under warranty. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to preventing major problems. Follow the recommended service intervals and address issues early to avoid costly repairs.